Welcome back to the AI 101 series. In our last session, we established a crucial mindset shift, and that is thinking of AI not as a passive tool, but as an active teammate. We talked about how it could be a thinking partner and a force multiplier for you and your business. Now, in session 2, we want to talk about choosing the right AI platform. Now, if you spend any time looking into this, you know there are a ton of options out there, and it can frankly be overwhelming. It's easy to get stuck in analysis paralysis, chasing every new shiny object. Don't ask me how I know this. So, in this session, I want to give you 3 simple steps that'll provide the clarity you need to choose your first AI teammate and move forward with confidence. So, step number 1, simplify your focus. First, let's acknowledge the landscape. There are literally hundreds, if not thousands, of AI tools on the market, and new ones pop up every single day. Some are general purpose, like the ones we'll discuss today, while others are highly specialized for tasks like creating images, analyzing data, or even writing code. Now, the temptation is to try them all, but that's a trap. It leads to distraction, not mastery. So think of it like building a workshop. You don't need 10 different kinds of saws to get started. You just need one great, reliable saw that you can learn inside and out. And once you've mastered it, you can add more specialized tools as you need them. Well, the same is true for AI. The goal isn't to be proficient in a dozen different platforms. The goal is to become an expert in one primary platform, at least initially. That's how you'll get the biggest return on your investment of time and energy. So that brings us to step number 2, and that is to survey the landscape. So, which platforms are the main players? While there are many, the market is currently dominated by 4 general purpose AI platforms. So let's take them one at a time. First of all, there's ChatGPT from OpenAI. That's the company name. This is the one that really brought AI into the mainstream. It's known for being incredibly versatile, creative, and having the largest user base by far. Next is Gemini, which is Google's primary AI model. As you can imagine, it's incredibly powerful at research, processing vast amounts of information, and integrating with other Google products. Then there's Claude from a company called Anthropic. Claude has a reputation for being particularly strong with long, complex documents and having a more conversational, nuanced writing style. It's now, though, mostly focused on writing code. And finally, there's Grok from xAI. And because of its connection with the X platform, Grok has access to real-time information and often has a more edgy, humorous personality than the others. Now, truthfully, all of these are fantastic. You really can't go wrong with any of them. But remember, our goal today is to make a decision to get started. And that brings us to my recommendation. Step number 3, make a confident choice. So which one should you choose? Well, based on my experience so far, after testing dozens and dozens and dozens of tools, I keep coming back to one. My strong recommendation is to start with ChatGPT. Now, here are 5 reasons why. First, it has the largest user base in the world, which means it has the most resources, the fastest development, and the biggest community. When new features are released, they often come to ChatGPT first. Second, it has a powerful ability to incorporate additional knowledge. You can upload documents, PDFs, and other files directly into your conversation, giving the AI specific context that it wouldn't otherwise have. Third, building on that, it allows you to create custom GPTs. This is a game changer. You can build your own specialized AI assistants trained on your own proprietary knowledge and process, something we'll explore at another time, but it's easier than you think. Fourth, it makes collaboration easy with shareable chats and shareable GPTs. You can share a specific conversation with a team member or give them access to a custom GPT that you've built, which is fantastic for teamwork inside your organization. And finally, I found it to be the most versatile and reliable. The most versatile and reliable all-around performer for the kinds of tasks that business owners and leaders face every day. So your action step from this session is pretty simple. Sign up or upgrade to ChatGPT Plus. It's about $20 a month, and it is without question the highest leverage investment that you can make in your productivity right now. And a quick tip here, for now, be sure to use the web version on your computer, not the desktop or mobile app. I want to say that again so you don't miss it. Be sure to use the web version on your computer, not the desktop or mobile app. The web version has the most features, and it's what we'll be using in our upcoming sessions. Now, don't worry about the other platforms for now. You can experiment if you want, but just commit to mastering this one. Once you do, you're going to be in a fantastic position to leverage all the power this technology has to offer. So, up next, we'll look at the art of AI conversation, and we'll start our hands-on work inside ChatGPT and talk about the art of the conversation, how to interact with your new AI teammate to get consistently better results. By the way, if you're not in the AI Business Lab Mastermind, and if you're interested in learning more, check us out at fullfocus.co/mastermind. Thanks.